Now within Invoice Product Descriptions, you have autofilling and name editing. This feature improves the invoicing process by introducing improved product descriptions, imports, better autofill capabilities, and a more predominant invoice name field. As far as benefits go, first of all, this is going to give a comprehensive description. Now you can automatically import detailed product descriptions into Invoices. It's also a much more efficient autofill type of system. This enhances autofill for card and contact information using browser extensions. You can also clear identification, which makes the invoice name field much more predominant. Now your business can use this feature to quickly generate invoices with complete product descriptions and efficiently autofill payment details, ensuring accuracy and speeding up the invoice process. Let me show you exactly where to find this. This is going to be within Payments on the left-hand navigation. From there, you're going to go up into Invoices, and then you're going to click on the gear icon, which allows you to get into your invoice settings. You're going to need to import product descriptions. So to do that, you're going to want to make sure you're under Product Settings, and then you're going to want to toggle on Import Product Descriptions. And as always, remember to save. Now let's go and create an invoice. So to do that, you still need to be under Invoices, and then you're going to click Plus New, or if you'd like to edit an invoice, go ahead and click the three-dot kebab and click Edit. Now, you'll go ahead and add an item. So simply click the plus add item. Now here is where you're going to add or edit product descriptions. So go ahead and do that and save. Now this is where we're going to see that improved auto filling. This is where your details are automatically going to fill in. Now you can simply complete the invoice and you're going to click Send. This is how it looks to go ahead and update the name. You'll be able to edit in the pop-up, and then you'll be able to also send that invoice. This feature significantly enhances the efficiency and accuracy of the invoicing process within the CRM, making it easier for businesses to manage and send invoices. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help.